Today let's see how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So first of all you have to open your browser and then just search Instagram, login, then you can log in through this link. Just open the link with the Chrome browser, not with the app you have already installed on your mobile. You have to open the login page from the Chrome. So then you can enter your email, phone number or password and login to the account which you are going to delete. So I am going to delete this account. So I have come to the account home page. So I want to delete this account permanently. So you can see at the bottom right hand side there's a profile picture icon, so click on it and then you can see your account information. Then click on edit profile. Then at the bottom of that page you can see temporarily disable my account. So you have to click on that. Then they are asking why you are disabling your account, so you can give any option from here. Want to remove privacy command, you can, I chose something else option, and then again you have to enter your password here, the password which was set by you to this account. So I am again adding my password to this. And below that you can see they are mentioning temporarily disable your account. So if you want to temporarily disable your account, you can click on this icon and you can temporarily disable your account, but we have to delete forever our account. So we are going to delete the Instagram account permanently. So you can just go to the URL and edit it as Instagram account remove request temporary to. You can edit this as permanent. And then go, click on go, and then you can see they are asking if you want to break Instagram temporary disable. You can, instead of deleting it, your profile won't appear Instagram while away. So there's an option, why do you want to delete the account name. I'm going to delete this account. So from this you can select any option. I am selecting the something else option, and then you have to re-enter your password and delete forever your account. So I am adding my password again to this. You have to enter your password for the profile you have selected to delete. Then from this button here, delete the account name. This is showing you account name which you are going to delete. So delete account. Click on